Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Rashima Gyamla. So now I'll be going to discuss the continuation of the badminton glossary. So the first one is ang hairpin net shot. So ang hairpin net shot is ito na yung pagpalo ng pababa papunta sa other side ng opponents like ganyan sa first pick. So next is ang half court shot. So ito naman yung pagpalo ng mabagal papunta sa mid-court ng opponent. So wala masyadong time yung opponents na gumawa ng move or ma-return sa'yo yung shuttlecock. So next is ang handicap match. So ito naman yung match between players with unequal skill levels like pro player and non-pro player. So ang non-pro player is hindi niya na need na makascore ng mataas sa pro player para manalo. And or the pro player naman is pagbabawalan siyang gumawa ng some shots. And also include na din dito yung mga persons with disabilities. So next ang high clear. So ang high clear naman is, it is defensive shot na yung atake ng other team is going to high up to the back and you need to defense it na titirahin mo siya pabalik sa opponent. So next ang left service court. So ang left service court naman is kapag ang server is sa right service court siya nag-serve, so kailangan ng opponents is sa left side naman siya magsaserve. So next is ang let. So, ang let naman is, ito yung nasa-stop yung game or nare-replayed kapag may nangyaring certain unforeseen circumstances or disturbance during the game. So, ang next naman is ang lob. So, C clear. So, ang lob naman is a defensive shot in badminton. So, it is played kapag ang shuttlecock is malapit na sa floor. So, next ang long service line. So, ang long service line naman is, it is a backline area wherein doon maglaland ang serve mo. So, ang next is ang love. Ang love naman is tinatawag na love all when the game start with the scoring 0-0. So, next is ang match. So, ang player is need na manalo ng 2 beses and kapag nanalo ulit ang player sa pang-3 game is siya na ang winner. So, next is ang middle court. So, mid-court naman is nasa pick rin na the middle third of the court halfway between the net and the back boundary line. So, next ang mixed doubles. So, ang double team naman is may isang lalaki and 1 female na player. So, ang next naman is ang net. So, I think we all know naman ang net and nilalagay siya across the middle of the court wherein ang players must hit the shuttlecock over the net. So, ang net is 5 feet tall at the center. So, ang next naman is ang net shot. So, it is played from the net and kapag nalaro ito correctly is dapat lang na bumagsak ito over the top of the net and drop as close to the net as possible on the opponents. So, ang next naman is ang officials. So, the officials are the judges responsible to ensure a fair badminton game is being played. And the service judge may also be up to 10 line judges and also the referee is the one who makes the game decisions on the rules pero hindi sa paglalaro sa court. So, next is ang overhead shot. So, ang overhead shot naman is a defensive shot hit from your baseline to your opponent's baseline. So, like sa high clear. So, next ang passing shot. So, and ang passing shot naman is a shot passing the shuttlecock to the opposing player or team. So, next ang PBA. So, ang PBA naman is a Philippine Badminton Association. So, it is a national governing body for badminton in the Philippines. So, ang next is ang post. So, ang post is nakaposition siya on the double sideline irrespective of whether single or doubles is played on the post or supports must not extend into the court beyond the sidelines. So, next is ang put away. So, ang put away naman is when a player leaves a smash is may hirapan kang i-return ito sa kalaban. So, next is ang racket. So, the racket is also a main piece of badminton that players use to hit the shuttlecock. So, next is ang rally. So, ang rally naman is the exchange of the shots while the shuttle is in the play. So, next is ang receiver. So, ang receiver naman is the person receiving the serve called receiver. So, next is ang serve or service. So, the serve is when the player serves. That's when the rally of the game starts. So, next is ang service court. So, the service court naman is divided siya into 4 sections with distinct boundaries including the center line, short line, service line, long service line, sideline, and back line. So, next is ang service fault. So, ang service faults naman is tend to occur when a player is serving. Kapag ang service is not executed below the waist in an upward motion, so this type of foul can be called. And another way to receive a service foul or service fault is kapag nakaposition ka on the left side of the court during a match and hindi mo sinerve ang shuttlecock sa right side, so matatawag itong service fault. So, sa badminton kasi kapag magsaserve ka, is kailangan opposite side of their opponent's court. And kapag fail ang pag-serve mo, is matatawag to na foul. So, next ang short service line. Sa short service line naman is need ng player na kapag magsaserve is need niyang ma-reach ang 6.5 feet from the net para ma-consider ditong legal service. So, next ang shuttlecock. So, ang shuttlecock naman is another main piece of badminton. Next ang sidelines. So, sidelines is ito na yung mga lines sa side ng court. Next ang slice. So, ang slice badminton naman is nag-work siya by cutting the shuttle through the air rather than hitting it straight on. So, next naman is ang smash. So, ang smash naman is a shot hit with a power and speed downward into the opponent's court. So, it will make it hard for the opponent to retrieve and return the shot like sa put away. So, the umpire shots naman has the authority over a particular match and is in charge of the court and its immediate surrounds. So, next is ang underhand action. So, ang underhand action naman is an effective shot to drive the opponent into the rear court. So, it is played from the forecourt to the opponent's rear court. So, the underarm clear is a defensive shot and it's generally used to counter the drop shot. So, last is ang wood shot. So, ang wood shot naman is that results when the base of the shuttle is hit by the frame of the racket.